Not only can you come from Port Harcourt to Buguma by road, to Abonima, and now you can go further into the Kalabari Kingdom. So I've been told that this 13.59 kilometer road construction is the first ever road access to places like Krakrama and 5 other island communities in Kalabari land. Well, let me congratulate again the people of Rivers State. You have chosen well, and I'm sure your governor-elect will continue the good work. And let me say to Governor Wike, you know, people have been congratulating you and telling you you've done well for Kalabari land. I want to say, without mincing words, that you have done well for Rivers State. I've watched you commission projects all over Rivers State. Even me personally, I've gone to flag off or commission projects in different parts of Rivers State. I've been to Ekweye land. I've been to Ikwere land. Now we're here in Kalabari land. I've been with you where I commissioned the Rivers State University campus at Emoa. You've been everywhere in Rivers State. I've seen you go to Ogoni land to commission projects. And when the Commissioner for Works was making the description of this project, he said when the tide is low or when the tide is high, they will be able to pass under this bridge. Well, what you've done for Rivers State is, when the tide is high, all the boats will rise. You have not left a zone or a community behind.